Hello guys, before we'll proceed with the video, today we'll talk about the different types of athletic clothes. For example, the athletic short, jersey shirt, jogging pants, and what materials do you use in making these athletic clothes, and about how much did you spend in buying the materials, and what could possibly a price in selling these athletic clothes? And what is the purpose of athletic clothes? For example, like the jersey shirt, jogging pants, and the short. And also, we will tell you and we will explain to you about the different types of parts in athletic clothes. So first of all, why are athletic clothes important? Well, athletic clothes are important because they make it easier for athletes to move around comfortably while they exercise. They also help keep athletes dry and cool by soaking up sweat and letting air flow through the fabric. And also they give some extra support and protection during workouts to keep athletes safe from injuries. So, for example, during yoga, while you are doing yoga, you wear some athletic clothes, like, for example, the seamless leggings or the tops, so you can move your body more comfortably and more freely while doing yoga. And you can stretch your body however you like because you are wearing an athletic clothes that is necessary for doing yoga.
So then, let us proceed to the video and let us welcome my other group mates and to tell you more about these other athletic clothes and to tell you about the measurements needed and the materials needed and the total cost of the materials and our crisis on selling these athletic clothes. Here's the list of the athletic clothes we made. Then let's watch this.
Hi guys, I'm Danica Electra and I'm with Anadeo Madera. And today we will tell you about the project that we made in TLE subject and what are the materials and how much did we spend to make this project and what are the procedures in making these three subjects. Athletic short, jersey, shirts, and jogging pants. In first quarter, we made a athletic short. The measurement needed in athletic short is in second quarter, we made a jersey shirt. Here's the measurements needed to produce a jersey shirt and the materials needed. In third quarter, we made a jogging pants and these are the measurement needed. Are the materials used in jogging pants. And these are the materials used in athletic shirt. As you can see, is the text above. The total cost of the materials using in the making a jersey shirt is 450 pesos. And the athletic short is 150 pesos. And the jogging pants is 200 pesos. These are the prices of our products.